And topping our news tonight, the Senate votes to end the three-day budget impasse. A bipartisan group negotiated the breakthrough. The bill would fund the federal government through February 8th and reauthorize the Children's Health Insurance Program, or CHIP, for 6 years. The measure now goes to the House. Patricia Villone is in the district with more on how the shutdown has affected the region.
Federal buildings across the nation had skeleton crews today, even though reports of a compromise to end the federal government shutdown are in the works. Now, the Council of Governments says the D.C. region is being hit much harder than other areas.
Fully 30% of our region's economy is still dependent on the federal presence. About 365,000 federal workers, another 65,000 or so of our men and women in the military, and tens of thousands of contractors serving both public and private.
Given that we're seeing this kind of a month-to-month thing, we've had it happen before, what do you think needs to be done?
Something that COG's been involved with a lot of our strategic partners is an initiative to try and pivot us from being less reliant on the federal government to develop an export economy. We have some of the brightest and best workers in the country here in our region. Are there products and goods and services that we can in fact export to other markets? And there's been a lot of information to suggest that there really are opportunities for that.
Now, according to the personal finance website Wallet Hub, D.C. ranks first, Maryland second, and Virginia third for the regions that are hardest hit by the federal government shutdown. From the district, Patricia Villone, CTV News.
A majority of Democrats had forced the shutdown, demanding that young DACA recipients be protected from deportation. Now, once the House passes the measure, it still has to go to the president for his signature.